Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Sneha Jagdish Budhiyar. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. USN 23EC1977, Subject CAD, Computer Aided Engineering Drawing. Subject code BCEDK103. Section Infinity. Topic is planes. A rectangular pyramid of a base 45 mm into 20 mm and height is 50 mm is placed center on a cylindrical slab of a diameter 100 mm and thickness 30 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. Go to line option and draw 100 mm line, that is length is 100 mm. And angle is 30 degree. Again length is 100 mm, angle is 150 degree, and again length is 100 mm and angle is 210 degree or minus 150 degree, both are same, and again 100 mm length and minus 30 degree. Join the lines here to here and here to here, and join the line here midpoint and here to the midpoint. Join the four corners of the midpoint. Join. And go to arc by 3 points, arc by center 3 points, select and draw the arc here to here. Draw one arc, draw one arc, one arc, and go to mirror option, select mirror and then again arc by the 3 point, select and draw a arc both sides, above and below. Go to mirror option, select mirror and draw arc above and below. Then go to line option, select line, continuous line. Go to select option, select entire. Go to move option. The length is 40 mm. Select length 40 mm. Move the then select the line. Join these lines here to here and then here to here. Join both the sides. Then draw 40 mm length, 30 degree, then angle is 30 degree, and 25 mm length, the angle is 150 degree. Draw, angle is 150 degree. Then again 40 mm length, select 40 mm length and angle is 150 degree or 210 degree and join these lines. And join both the lines. The height is, enter and join these lines. Join both the lines and midpoint also join. Join midpoint also. Go to select option, select entire pyramid. Cylindrical slab and go to move option. Then it is placed here at the exactly center of the exactly center. Select option, select the entire drawing and it is converted into the scale factor, that is 0.816, and remove all the lines. The unwanted lines are removed. Here it is also removed. Only cylindrical slab is remaining. Remove all the unwanted lines. This is the answer for the question. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video. Thank you.